Hello, everybody. My name is Jose Gutierrez, and this is my solution for question 25 on exam 2 for CM 170 at Fresno State, California. Okay, so to start off, I'd actually like to indicate that I got the question wrong on the exam because I was running out of time, and I also put more effort into my other questions and to studying the other material as well. So the question says, assuming a markup of 11.8% and that your payment will be received 60 days after the start of the project, what is the cumulative total at the 5th month? So I thought, which is incorrect, I thought that you would go to the 5th month and times 20,741.57 by 11.8%, which was way off. And after doing some research and actually watching the video that Professor Hyatt recorded for us, I actually understood the question and got it correct once I reviewed it. Okay, so when doing it the correct way, you want to choose the correct cash flow chart. You want to choose the one that's based on the actual expenses and actual income. So you choose this one right here, the cash flow, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3. As long as it's cash flow chart, you'll be fine, not the counting ones. After deciding which chart to use, you need to start inputting the numbers that were given. So some numbers that were given to us is the planned monthly cost, which is right here. You're going to input that all right here into the planned cost. All right here. So once you have all the planned cost input, the second step is to find the cumulative cost. You get the cumulative cost by adding last month's cumulative cost plus this month's planned cost. For example, in month 3, uh, you get that by adding the last month's cumulative cost, which is right here, 24,437, and you add it to this month's planned cost, which is 48,728, and you get 73,165. So the third step is to find the planned revenue. You get the planned revenue by multiplying the interest rate by last month's planned cost. An example of this can be right here, 13,974. You got that by multiplying 11,938.75 times the interest rate, which is 18, and that equals 0.18, and that will give you 13,974. After that, you're going to want to find the cumulative revenue. You get the cumulative revenue by adding last month's cumulative revenue plus this month's planned revenue. So an example of this is right here, month 4. You get last month's cumulative revenue, which is 13,974, and you add this month's planned revenue, which is 13,348, and you get $27,321. And then the last thing to do is find a cumulative total. You get this by subtracting the cumulative revenue by the cumulative cost. And we'll do an example of the 5th one right here, which is the actual answer to the question, and 69,740, and you got this by subtracting 81,799, subtracting that to 151,539, and that gives you the answer 69,740, which is the answer for question 25 on exam 2 for CM 170. Thank you for your time. Please let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you.